Hi there, I am Paul Yateman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse. Mostly. Now and then I'll live stream. Sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time lapse. So onto the fine liner. I'm keeping this sketch really rough. It was based on either a painting or a photo out of an art book. Winds up looking nothing like it. The dude in the book had a turban or a towel on its head like what we see here. So this is what I've drawn, and after doing a photo for Instagram, I decide what the hell am I going to do, and I just get stuck in the colouring for a red-green theme here. I'm just using multiple layers of pencil. These are cheap, nasty pencils as well, so they're not the best feel to get on the paper. I prefer the good quality sort of waxy pencils, like Derwent's, things like that. Whereas this is just like a $10 office works job. I find that it's trying to sharpen it. So with this, to get the shading, just going over and over certain spots with the same colour, and then using similar colour scheme-ish pencils. In that case it was purple, to give a bit more depth to the drawing. And here we'll be doing the same with various greens and try and apply it so we don't get too much streaking as well. At least with pencils, if to get rid of the streaking, you can get a cotton bud and spray isopropyl alcohol on it and rub the pencil. That'll give you nice smooth shading, which is good for graduations as well as just splotches and removing the hashes we can see here. Gonna give the dude sort of a brown scarf. Not sure if I do a face or where we do skin colour, just with really light orange, because that's pretty much what I'm limited to in the box of pencils I have here. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.